Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this elegant chignon hairstyle in under 3 minutes. To start, divide the hair from ear to ear straight across and then just pop the top half into an elastic band. Now make a hole behind that band with a couple of fingers and then pass that ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through that hole to create a twist. Next, apply some wax spray all over the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. And then using your fingers, gently pinch and pull at the hair at the top of the head for a little bit more texture and volume. With the remaining hair, we're going to sweep it all over towards the right hand side. And then using some bobby pins, I'm going to do a row going from the bottom left hand corner just to the right hand side of that twist. And then just keep overlapping these bobby pins so it's nice and secure. With the ends, I'm going to smooth them out and bring them back over to the left hand side and pop an elastic band towards the end. But on the last turn, only pull the ends part way through to create a little loop. This just makes pinning easier. I'm just going to take hold of that little loop and I'm going to give it a little twist towards the head and then just hold it to the nape of the neck and secure with a couple of bobby pins going through the bottom and top of that little twist we've just created. And with the tail ends, I'm just going to tuck it up inside that twist and again secure with as many bobby pins as needed. Then just smooth any flyaways with a little bit of Stronghold hairspray. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.